Hi guys, it's JT here, your finance professional. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions as to JT and why this and why that. So let me break it down to you. If you don't know, my wife and I recently partnered up with Patrick David's company. And so what we're doing now is I've been doing mortgages for the past 17, 18 years, got licensed in December 2nd, 2005, started originating mortgages on my own January 1st, 2006. So I went through, 2008, 2009, okay? Been doing this for a very long time. And not too long ago, I stopped and I realized, okay, we do a very good job at preparing you for homeownership. Get your finances in line, get your credit in line, be at your job for more than 2 years, etc., etc. Great. Preparation is key. Good. Now, the second thing is we put you through the process. Cool, that's taken care of. And then we give you the keys, right? Because that's the goal, that's your dream. Cool, that's done. And as of right now, the industry, that's where it ends. Here's what we're up to changing. The goal is that it doesn't stop there. Actually, like I said it before, that's where the relationship starts. That's where the trust starts. So thank you for giving us the opportunity to finance your home. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to find you that home. Thank you, we appreciate that. But now, let's secure your asset. Stop and think about this for 1 second. When you are buying a home, okay, the first type of insurance that the bank makes you get is the title insurance. Now, what does that do? The bank makes you get title insurance for to verify that you are buying the property with no additional encumbrances or liens. What does that do? It secures the bank. The bank wants to make sure that they are the only lien on the home. Otherwise, they'd be on second, third, fourth position. The bank doesn't want to do that. Bank doesn't want to lose. Okay, so that's the first insurance the bank makes you get. What's the second insurance you get? It's fire insurance. Why do you get fire insurance? Well, the bank also wants to know that in the event that the property was to burn down, the property can be built up. And also through that, you get a couple of mortgage payments as you are not living in the property because it's burnt down, then you can still manage to make the mortgage payment. So the insurance company will give you money for that. And then last but not least, what is the third insurance that the bank makes you get? Your private mortgage insurance. Now, what does that do? That protects the bank in the event that you cannot make your mortgage payment if you come up with less than 20% down. And I will tell you, 90% of our borrowers, 90% of the deals that we do have mortgage insurance. So what that means is that 90% of the clients come up with less than 20% down payment. But now going back to that number 3, the bank is protected in the event that you cannot make the mortgage payment. Whatever was to happen, your husband, your wife was to pass away, your partner was to pass away and you can't make the mortgage payment, you lose your job, you can't make the mortgage payment, whatever, you name it, the bank is protected. So let's go back a little bit. Insurance number 1, title insurance, protecting the bank. Number 2, fire insurance, protecting the bank. Number 3, PMI, protecting the bank. So here is what we have done. We have now implemented a service where we now protect you, the consumer. We protect your family. In the event that something catastrophic was to happen, you are in a position where you can pay the home off. And then depending upon how the planning or how we structure your plan, you have X, Y, and Z money to put your kids through college, you name it. So that is what we have done. That is a new service that we implemented here at GoTo Mortgage Solutions. If you already own a home and the bank is protected, but you may not, if you don't know if you are protected, I encourage you to reach out to MP or one of our associates here at GoTo Mortgage Solutions, or better yet, contact me and we will verify if you are protected or not. Let's protect it. Bank is protected, rain or shine. What about you? So guys, I'm very passionate about this whole thing about the bank being protected. Doesn't sit well with me, which is why we are going to change how this whole system has been worked. We're going to change how we do business. We're going to change this whole buying experience. It doesn't end when you get the keys. That's where it starts. I believe that at that point we did our job. Now you can trust us because we came through with that. But now we're going to protect that asset. If you have any additional questions on this, I'd love to talk to you on this. And also, if you haven't already, please like this so we can mess with the algorithm. And last but not least, if you haven't, subscribe, send this to one of your associates, send this to one of your friends, family members that have a house that may not be protected, that don't have their asset protected. And I'd love to talk to you guys more about this, okay? Again, it's Juan Torres, your finance professional. Hope you found it of value. Have a great day and let's dominate, guys.